Drinking water the other day too. I had a pimple right. Whatever. Let's get that shit.
You need to drink. Yeah, you need to get some stuff. I drink Kangen water. Is it Kangen or Kangen? Oh man, but it's got my skin shining, brother. So whatever they said, I believe it.
Andre, I think it was Andre, right? Thanks for calling him. He's with Kangen Water. Had I not known about alkaline water, by the way, I own a Kangen machine, an Enagic 9.5 water, filters through. They push out the acidity out of my water, and I have something that is alkaline. So that my kids, basically, I bought that product for my kids. Now we're talking about elevator pitches today, but I'll tell you, when the guy was pitching me in the Enagic machine, when he was pitching it at my company, he had my attention. He showed me the program. I'll swear to you, okay, literally in 45 seconds, I'd already made my decision about 2 machines, and he continued to talk for 25 minutes.
Mariah Carey is one of the biggest names in pop music history and is in a league all her own. And when she's hanging out on set, a one-story trailer isn't enough. This music diva has earned double the space. No one can resist. This kitchen proves it's a step above the rest.
Look how big this is. Look, I can jump in here. We had to bring all the elements of what they would have in one of their massive homes right into one of our trailers. So that's why we have a convection microwave. We have the full stovetop. We have hideaway fridges. Even water comes at a premium on this trailer. Kangen water machine. It is hands down the world's best water.